Hi guys, it's your girl Justena, and today we are going to do a review on this hair that I have in my head. I've had it in for about 3 weeks or so now. I think about 3 weeks, maybe 3.5. And I want to tell you about how the pros and cons about these faux locks. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Hi guys, it's your girl Justena, and I am a natural hair, makeup, nail, and skincare vlogger. If you're interested in any of those things, make sure you subscribe and become a part of our natural hair queen tribe. So, like I said, I think I've had these faux locks in for 3 weeks. Let me double check and look back on my calendar. This hair that I have in my head is actually from an Amazon store that emailed me directly to try their hair out, and I'll leave their link below so y'all can see the hair I use. So it has been it's been 3 weeks. It'll be 3 weeks tomorrow actually. And I've had it in for that long. And to me, I think this has been the most natural it has looked since I've had it in. I think it looks super duper good. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all the pros and cons of this hair. We'll first start off with the cons, because we always want to hear the bad stuff first. So one con is that I've experienced this since literally the first day I had it in. So if y'all saw my video on how I installed my hair, I first blew out my hair a little bit and then created little twists all around my head. And then I crocheted this hair into the little twist and wrapped the twist. The only thing about wrapping the twist with this hair is that if your twist isn't small enough, it will not stay. So as you can see right here, the twist is not in, and I just rewrapped this one. So it can very easily come out. Very easily come out. Let me see if I can find another good example of one. I kind of rewrapped a lot of them for this video, so like this one for instance, it's totally not in my hair, not wrapped around my hair. So how I fix that, if you are experiencing that, you just basically take the hair again and start wrapping around, opening up the faux lock and start wrapping it around again, and it'll just cover the twist back up. But that is really annoying. A couple of days out of the week I have to re-wrap them because they literally won't stay around the twist because my twist is too big, which I could have fixed that problem by just making them smaller. But since it was my first time, I didn't really know how big or how small the twist needed to be. So I see that as a big con. The next con that I have is that these twists, and I don't know if this is in all faux locks, but they literally, the ends, they stick together. So as y'all can see, I'm trying to pull my hair, kind of detangle it. Literally, they are I don't know, one hair from the other hair, one faux lock to the other faux lock. They're attaching to each other. The hair is coming out of the faux lock and they're basically sticking together. And if you keep them up, I had my hair in a bun the other day, a really high bun, all my hair in a bun. When I took them down, they were congealed together, and I had to literally break everything up and kind of detangle my hair. And it was just really annoying because I was why are y'all doing this? But since I've had these, I haven't found a way to like fix that. So I've kind of just, you know, been dealing with it or whatever. But I do see that as a super duper con if you're a person that don't want to deal with that. So yeah, that's another con that I have. The last con that I have before I go to the pros, installing these twists is very, very, very time consuming. Because I had to like blow out my hair, I had to twist my hair and then put it in. It was more of the preparation process to put them in. It took me maybe like 8 hours total. With the twisting, the blow drying out, the twisting, and then installing, it probably took me 8 hours. Yeah. So I wasn't really happy about that because it literally like took away my half of my day. So yeah, it wasn't really that joyful. So, but anyway, let's go ahead and go to the pros. One pro I kind of already said, this hairstyle is very natural. Like, not like I said, as it got older, the look got better. So it kind of looks like I actually have faux locks in my hair. Like it's literally growing out of my root, and I love that style. I wouldn't necessarily want faux locks, but just the fact that like me putting them in makes the style look so natural and like it's coming out of my hair is really cool. And if I ever wanted to like just do faux locks again so I can have a look, this will be a great way to do that. So very, very good pro that it looks natural. Somebody could be like, oh girl, you got faux locks, you got locks, they look good on you, girl. But you know, your girl don't have locks. So yeah. Okay, so the next pro that I noticed like immediately when I put the hair in my head is that this hair, most likely because it's a thinner lock, is so lightweight. Like I literally don't feel anything pulling or tugging or anything like that. My edges feel like fine. I don't feel like it's ripping out my edges or anything. Like no, it doesn't feel like that at all. None of that. It's so lightweight. Just usually when I get like braids or twists and there's a lot of them, even when I put it in a bun, it just feels like my head is being like weighed down. And with these faux locks, no, it feels like nothing. Like I just have a bun on my head. Yeah, I have a bun of faux locks on my head. It's not a big deal. Yeah, it doesn't feel heavy at all. Weighing down, it's not, I don't feel like it's like overwhelming. Like when I had my passion twist, it was so many twists in my head that it just felt overwhelming. And I think that's why I didn't leave it in for as long as I left these in, because it just felt like really overwhelming and too much, which I could have, granted, I could have put less hair in my head, probably did a different way to help me put less hair in my head. But then again, the installation of these compared to those is very different. So these are more individual, and then those I had to like actually crochet my hair down, and then braid my hair down or twist my hair down and crochet the hair into my braids. So it made more accessibility, you know, to, I don't even know if that makes sense, but it made it feel like I need to put more hair than I actually needed to put in. So that's the only con to those. But a pro is that these are lightweight and they look awesome. Granted that with this hairstyle I only use like 2.5 packs compared to using 6 packs with my passion twist. So that's probably why it's kind of lightweight. Then the fact that I use that many packs, I feel like it makes it look like, okay, this girl look like she got faux locks in her hair. She look good. So I really like that. The next pro is that this hairstyle is very, 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 very low maintenance. Literally, and this ties into the next pro. Literally all I did was a lock method and my hair is still moisturized. I didn't have to like maintain it anyway as far as like oiling my scalp necessarily. My scalp doesn't even look like too flaky. I'm gonna tell y'all this, but I haven't washed my hair in like 3 weeks. It's been 3 weeks since I washed my hair. Like literally I haven't. And I think that's kind of the longest I've never washed my hair. So that's crazy. So that might be my next video because I am taking these locks out tomorrow. But I haven't washed my hair in 3 weeks. And your girl, I mean my scalp is itching a little bit, but I haven't necessarily applied any product to my scalp. So it doesn't, except when I put the locks in, I put like oil on my scalp. Other than that, nothing. I just went ahead and did the lock method to put it on my hair. Used the moisture butter from African BRAID Black Castor Oil line, Protective Style line. Use their oil and use the gel to seal in all that moisture. Literally, if you feel any of the twists that are coming out, they still feel moisturized. Still feel moisturized. So it's very low maintenance, and in turn it will help your hair grow because you don't have to constantly touch your hair. Your hair is like put away, your ends are put away. You're less likely to get any breakage or anything like that. So it's very low maintenance. You'll see growth and you'll retain that moisture if you actually moisturize your hair. The last pro that I have is that this potentially could be a long lasting protective style. Like I said, this hair has been in my hair for 3 weeks, but I feel like if I even like touched up my edges area, you know, my back area, and stuff like that, like this could potentially be like a long lasting protective style, meaning that, you know how people leave their protective styles in for like 2 weeks or something like that. I'm not 2 weeks, 2 months. You could probably leave this hair seriously, because I could go, you know, another week, but I just need to upload more videos. I did record a lot before I did this hairstyle, so that kind of helped me out. But I need to start recording again so I can keep on my schedule of being consistent. Yeah, if y'all saw my video a couple of weeks ago, I told myself I was gonna be consistent for y'all, and I am gonna be consistent for y'all. So in turn, I gotta take these out and go to the next. I go back to my natural hair before the videos kind of catch up with me. Essentially, that's all my pros and cons that I have for this hair. If y'all are interested in buying this hair, remember that the link is down below. I don't have any complaints. There was no major like complaints overall about this hair, and essentially I can do the style like one more time with the hair that I got, because I do have about like 3 packs left or so. If y'all want more videos like this about certain products I might use or hair I might use, I want to know the pros and cons, or whether y'all have certain natural hair videos, maybe natural hair product reviews you want me to try, make sure you leave a comment below and let me know what you want me to try. Because as I said, I'm going back to my natural hair tomorrow. I'm taking out this hair tomorrow. I'm ready to see my natural hair back, and look forward to that video that I'm gonna post about after not washing my hair for 3 weeks, how my hair is gonna look. Because I don't know, guys, I've never did this. Maybe it'll look good. Maybe the products I put in before I put this protective style in, you know, help me out. But if y'all want to see that video, make sure you click the subscribe button, the bell next to it, so you can be notified of that video. Like this video if you want more videos like this. And remember to comment below. Like, let's talk, guys. Tell me about what protective style you might be doing. Are you gonna go do faux locs? Because you saw my video and you're like, girl, you right. Faux locs is a good protective style. Are you gonna do that? Let me know down below. And guys, natural hair queens, remember that you look blessed. Bye guys. Alright guys, I'm like literally ready to take this out. Like look at that. That is so annoying. Like I want to start taking it out tonight really. But actually got housework to do, so I can't really take it out tonight. I gotta wait till tomorrow. But it was up to me. This will be coming out tonight. I might just take this one out. You think? What do you think? Man, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.